what is up? It's your girl Samara, aka MelaninPrincess. If you are new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. But if you are a part of this family, you already know what to do. You have to keep on watching. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to flip $15 into $100 in a short amount of time on MetaTrader 4. It's going to be a quick, easy video on how I trade specifically from my phone. I get so many questions on how I do it. I simply do the easiest step that I do all the time. If you haven't already, I have also listed a video of me flipping $50 into $3,000 within just 3 days. So if you haven't already, please, or it'll be somewhere around here, but you will see the video. So go ahead and check that video out so you can see the process of me doing it. And I normally just do that based off my computer, but I'm going to show you guys how you can just literally flip. If it's $10 or maybe $15, $20, whatever the case may be, you can bring it up to a 3-digit number. Okay, so this is possible, this is durable. So let's get into it.
What's up? Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
And I just wanted to show you guys the beginning of my trades. I was currently up $61. And now let's get into the good stuff. So basically with MetaTrading on your phone, okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that I was up $83. And pretty much with my trades, I like to do long-term trades. So first things first, you want to make sure that you're looking at all of your quotes, and you always want to make sure that everything that you want to see is there. So I currently just wanted to show you guys my outline just to let you guys know, like, this is how I literally trade. I always map up my charts and just making sure I can get my trades going in. So I'm going to go on an actual fresh chart so we can get started to actually mapping out your charts. Okay. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just scrolling back. And it really doesn't matter what time frame that you're using. I currently like to use my 15-minute. And with the 15-minute, it's just easier for me to basically to basically get a good angle of what the chart is doing. So with that being said, I basically map out on my 15. So I just want to let you guys know, before I go any further, I'm not a financial advisor. This is what works for me and has gotten me successful over the time. Okay. So basically what we're doing is I'm just analyzing the chart, and I always tell all of my students or anybody who asks for any advice when it comes to trading, I always say when you map out your chart to always look for either your twin tops or your twin bottoms, also your Harambe candles, or basically looking at the wicks. Just in case if you don't see the twin tops or bottoms, if you don't see the Harambe, which is basically a short candle, a baby candle next to a bigger candle. So it's like a mama and daughter type of candle, if that makes sense. But I typically tell all of my students, hey, look for those and put the line under that. Now, if you don't see those type of candles, those two type of candles, then you'll go ahead into finding your two wicks. So the wicks that are basically angled at the same length at the top and at the bottom. Okay. And I'm just adding all of my lines to create my supports and resistant lines. And right here, I'm just trying to show you guys how to measure your pips, but I'll get into another video on identifying the pips and things like that. But I just wanted to show you guys literally from that candle that's underneath my resistant line, how many pips I can eventually get onto my support line, because it's already got into that support line. So you know it's going to hit that support line in a matter of time. It may not happen now, but it will maybe the next day or whatever the case may be. Now I'm showing you guys what it looks like on the day chart, on the weekend chart, the month chart, etc., just so you can get an idea of how your lines will differ. But I normally trade based off of my 15-minute chart because it gives me more time and it gives me what I need to do. So basically it is at It is at 1.36762. You see that wick? The market has been below our support line, which is telling me that it has the potential of hitting that support line once again. Literally, that is what I'm going to do. Go in for a buy stop or a sell stop. Literally, those are the only two market executions that I use for my strategy. I use my price line limitation and I use my take profit based off of the resistance and support line. As you guys can see, I'm literally typing in and going back to my chart. I am going to put in a sell stop simply because it has the momentum, and overall the trend of this chart is a downtrend. It has the momentum of going back down to 1.36762. Okay, I'm not going to actually get in to this trade automatically, which is the market execution. I'm going to go in for a sell stop and put my price at 1.36934. Then my take profit is going to be 1.36762. I wanted to show you guys basically the overall trends. So I just went into the different shapes and I found the angled line, and just to show you guys that overall this was a downtrend. Okay, and so I can go into trends and things like that if you guys are still a little hesitant about how to do trends, because you can also just go into the market based off the trends. Okay, and then here's another video just to kind of show you guys another incident, because yes, I was up $105, but I got greedy, guys, and I told you guys that's the number one thing that's going to hurt you in trading if you get greedy. I literally was like, okay, it's going to keep going. I didn't look at the chart again, and it's important to look at your chart, especially the hour chart, every day. And it went back down. It didn't go down like extremely. It just went down to $92, which is not bad. So I ended up securing those $92. And I am currently compounding that account now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And if you are a part of the family, just, you know what to do. Just keep supporting your girl. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it because I love you guys so much. We are on the way to 2K subscribers. Woo woo. You know what I'm saying? You know I had to do the Junie, you know? The Junie. Because, baby, we on the way to 2K subscribers. So, yes. Thank you guys so much for the support. I am truly appreciative for all that you guys do for me. Yeah, I'm just very appreciative. But yeah, if you guys want more videos in regards to trading and forex and things like that, just comment down below, as you guys already do, and your girl's gonna hook you up. But other than that, peace.